This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol CSTM. Okay, this first chart is a daily chart, and it shows the 50, the 100, and 200-day moving averages. There was a break last week above the 50-day moving average, and then a close above the 100-day moving average last Friday, and then on Monday the share price pulled back, and then now you have again on Thursday another close above the 100-day simple moving average at 774. Okay, that's the first support level on a pullback. The key resistance level to break is over here on December or September the 17th here, and this is the closing price on September 17th is the key level to break. If that breaks, okay, that's going to put, if you look at this chart, this is the same 50, 100 day, 200 day moving average chart, and what the next resistance level is going to be this July support level here around 10, and then if that breaks, then you're looking up here at this June support level and the high here in July and August at 11, and then finally the 200-day moving average at 1259. And so basically, what our theory is that once the 100-day moving average turns into support, when you get a break above that level and it turns into support, the next simple moving average on deck is going to be the 200-day moving average. So that's what we're looking at now. And if you see here, the FASTO is at 97.73, and it's very high. 100 is maxed on FASTO. It is in the overbought power zone, and then you have RSI up here hitting 69.00. So it's hitting the 70 overbought power zone. So the key is going to be, can CSTM head higher in the overbought zone on both those indicators. There was a MACD bull cross last week on MACD, and there was lots of volume, very big volume behind this move. Okay, if you look at the next chart, this is another daily chart, and this shows the EMA's 4 and 8 and the Bollinger Bands. And as you can see, there's this very strong move to the upside over the last 2 weeks. There was a close above the first middle Bollinger Band was tested here last Tuesday, and then 2 weeks ago, last on the first week of November, and then there was this break above the middle Bollinger Band here on last Thursday, and so yeah, and that was followed by a move up here through the upper Bollinger Band. So as you can see, candles are now riding above EMA's 4 and 8 support and above the middle Bollinger Band. So this is showing a new uptrend is starting, and that's what bulls want to see. They want to see candles continue to ride above those levels. You can see here another look at the resistance level to break. Here, this is showing another look at the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, the candles are riding down below, and now they're back above. So this is a new uptrend. As you can see, this is a must level to break. If not, there'll be a double top. This would create a double top. On a pullback, you want to look at this 6 level. Okay, the first levels of support, first is EMA 4 at 766, and then EMA 8 at 7. Those are the first 2 support levels. And then down here at 6, because that was big support back here in August. And there was some support there in September and October as well. So I'd look for that to hold. As long as middle Bollinger Band at 557 holds, the uptrend should continue. All right, now let's look at some intraday charts here, a couple intraday charts. Here's the 15-minute chart. As you can see, this was the very big move here at the beginning of the day today, and then the share price consolidated, forming this ascending triangle where you have this rising support line and the constant horizontal resistance line. So the key for the bulls is they want to break through this 860 resistance. That'll signal more upside potential. As you can see, the candles are closed right here with a pretty much at a junction here of EMA's 4 and 8 and the middle Bollinger Band. So what bulls don't want to see, they don't want to see a break below the middle Bollinger Band. If the middle Bollinger Band breaks, it's going to signal downside risk. That's going to put this lower Bollinger Band at 815 on deck and could signal a possible start of a new downtrend. There was a volume spike into the close with the bull cross on FASTO, and RSI is in the bull zone. and there was this MACD bear cross, so that's something to that's a red flag right here. So we want to keep an eye out tomorrow at the the first 30 minutes of trading for a new downtrend to begin. So we don't want that. Here's a closer look at the days of action from yesterday, or from today, still today here on the West Coast. Uh, this is the 5-minute chart, and this shows the share price is consolidating, and look how tight the Bollinger Bands are. So the either upper Bollinger Band resistance is going to break, or lower Bollinger Band support is going to break at the open tomorrow. If this lower Bollinger Band breaks, it's going to signal downside risk. If the upper Bollinger Band breaks, it's going to signal upside potential. As you can see, I mentioned 860, and 860 is the same level as the upper Bollinger Band. So key level to break. As you can see, there's multiple tops at this level. So if it fails to break, that will equal downside risk. Okay, this is yeah, and take a look down here at MACD. So keep an eye on the MACD on the 5-minute chart. So the bullish crossover started but didn't happen. Keep an eye out for a bullish crossover of MACD. That could signal the start of the next uptrend, like 10 o'clock in the morning when there was this crossover this morning, and then then there was the big run. Okay, thanks for viewing this chart. Hope you're having a great evening.